Good morning, everyone. It's 7:30 in the morning, and I'm on my way to Gosford. It's about 45 minutes still to get to the destination. And yeah, I just thought I'd grab my camera today and go somewhere and explore. So that's what I'm doing. But I'm also in the quiet carriage on the train, so I'm trying to be mindful of my volume while I'm speaking with you guys. Okay, so I'm now in Gosford, and what you're seeing here is one of their parks. I've just actually refilled my water bottle in that station there. One of the great things about parks here in Australia is that often there would also be some barbecue pits where you can actually just either make a reservation from the town or the city council or like wherever your suburb council is, and then you can use them for free essentially. Yeah, so this one here has got a covered area that's also got a barbecue pit there. I passed one earlier where they had barbecue set up for, I think it's a birthday party for a little girl. Yeah, so anyway, I'm walking along the river to find somewhere to eat because I intended to go to what do you call this, at Baker Street Cafe, but realized they don't open till 11. So, but here I came closer to the barbecue pit so you guys can see what that's like. But now we're heading on to the river. There's a little duck in the water. I think it's trying to find food. So it's like underneath now, but it's gonna come up soon for air. Oh, there. Let's come up on that a little bit further away. But the water is so calm and so still. There's no wind really that's happening around here. And just look at that. Wow. Might be a good area to fly my drone. Give you a better look of the town from above. Right, so I'm already at the Gosford Regional Gallery, and as I walked in, found this nice little cafe called Top Point Cafe. I highly recommend that you actually go here when you get the chance because not only is the food great, but the serving or the portions are huge and they're actually quite affordable.
Anything or not yet?
I'm ready to order.
Yeah, what would
Yeah,
you like?
can I get the bacon and egg roll?
Yeah, bacon and egg rolls.
And can I get an extra hash brown with that?
Which hash brown would you like? We have the oval one and the house-made one.
Oh, I'll try the house-made one.
House-made, yeah?
Yeah. And can I get an iced almond latte?
Latte.
Yeah. Thanks.
So the bacon and egg roll with the house-made hash brown and the iced almond latte.
Correct. Yes. Thanks. There is a community gallery that's open to the public for free that you can visit when you come here at the Gosford Regional Gallery. Artworks displayed. These are the Young Archie Award. There we go. Now to enter the Japanese garden called the Edogawa Garden, this is where you go. Now guys, when you see signs like this, please respect it. Smoking, food, and drink is not permitted. So this is called the Edogawa Garden, and it opened in 1994 after a sister city agreement was made in 1988 between the city of Edogawa in Japan and Gosford. So this is what you will find here. There is a dry stone garden, a tea house, a lotus pond, a koi pavilion, and a wisteria walk. So let's try this one first. So this is the dry stone garden that I remember seeing some of them when I was in Japan. They were more of like the Zen kind of feel. Right now there are some patterns on here, but they're not as pronounced. And I find that the stones are a little bit larger than the ones that I've seen. Now these bonsais definitely remind me of gardens in Japan. How pretty, and it's free to come here. You don't have to pay for anything, you just walk in. Look, there's some koi in the water, but there's also a duck. So much koi. I think they can see me, and I think they think I'm going to feed them. Now, this is the Wisteria Walk, but because of the time of the year, there aren't any blooms here. But this should be quite beautiful when it's springtime.
They're not going to hurt. Hey, don't scare them. Don't scare them, okay? They're scared of us, you know that?
I feel like it's ready.
Oh, you think so? I hope it is, eh?
You'll freak out.
All right, well, I've seen what I came here to see in Gosford. I'm sure there's plenty others. I'm just not interested in reptiles. So I think I'm gonna go back to the city now. And yeah, thanks for joining me on this slow day in Gosford. Overall, I think it's a really nice, I guess a smaller, not really a small town. I'd say it's a medium-sized town. At least judging from the train station, it's much larger than the other ones we've passed. Yeah, I think it's a major point coming into the Central Coast. Yeah, and it's really lovely and quiet here with a lot of like waterfront areas, and that small Japanese garden tucked in that corner was really nice, actually.
Ahí está el